10 most critical car sensors.
Hey, I'm the crankshaft sensor. I tell the ECU engine speed and timing. If I get dirty or fail, your engine struggles to start, misfires, and may even stall. Before changing parts, check me first. Radiator fan won't turn on or won't turn off. Remove the coolant temperature sensor. Clean it. Reinstall it. Many times, problem solved. Quick fix. When a MAP sensor fault appears, diagnosis comes first. Common causes are signal loss, loose or rusty connectors, damaged wiring, a bad MAP sensor, or rarely an ECU issue. Watch these symptoms closely. Check engine light on, poor acceleration, loss of power, hesitation or jerking, high fuel consumption, black smoke from the exhaust, and hard starting. If you see these signs, check the MAP sensor before replacing parts. Follow for more quick car tips. O2 sensor failing. Don't ignore these signs. Your fuel mileage suddenly drops, the engine feels sluggish, idle becomes rough, or the check engine light comes on. A bad O2 sensor sends wrong oxygen data, so the ECU can't adjust fuel properly. That means wasted fuel and poor performance. Fix it early, or it can damage your catalytic converter. Follow for more quick car tips. This is the drive shaft speed sensor. When it gets dirty, it can cause low power, high fuel use, rough idle, and jerking. Remove it, clean the dust and metal debris, and the problem is often fixed. 4 sensors that impact your fuel efficiency. 1. Oxygen or O2 sensor. This sensor measures the amount of unburned oxygen in the exhaust gases. It helps the engine control unit, ECU, adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion. 2. Mass airflow or MAF sensor. The MAF sensor measures the amount and density of air entering the engine. Accurate readings allow the ECU to calculate the correct fuel injection amount. Manifold absolute pressure, or MAP sensor. This sensor measures the pressure within the intake manifold, providing information on engine load. 4. Throttle position sensor, for TPS. The TPS monitors the position of the throttle valve, indicating how much the driver is pressing the accelerator. This information helps the ECU manage fuel injection and ignition timing. Save this for later. And if you found this helpful, follow for more content like this. Do you know which valve you should clean if your car starts losing power? It is located near the camshafts on the left side. Over time, it gets clogged with oil residues and can no longer properly regulate engine timing advance, causing the engine to feel sluggish. Do you know what this valve is called? Yeah,